Greetings, welcome to the channel. I ordered comic books from House of M Comics this July. I've been a bit busy, so I'm doing the video now. First up from Image Comics we have Empire issue 1. And issue 2. Then this Atlantis Attacks X Factor issue, it's annual from 1986. This isn't a special story or anything like that, but it has a meeting between Doctor Doom and Magneto, and the art is by John Byrne. The meeting is really well written, and that's why I paid €7 for this comic book. Then from Malibu Comics, Arrow #1, and it's €2, and the original price back in 1992 is $1.95. So pretty much the same price. Then Sherlock Holmes returns. Sherlock Holmes Return of the Devil. This is Adventure Comics. I believe the artist Seppo Mäkinen is Finnish. So that's interesting. Artist from Finland. Justice Society of America issue 13 and 2008. This was a cover by, I have no idea what's inside, but it was €3, so I bought it. Death of Hawkman. It's a cool cover. There's Ultraman and Hawkman here on the background, so I had to buy it. Marvel Mangaverse. Adam Warren and Kieran Grant. Fantastic Four. Art inside looked alright. Marvel Mangaverse again. And I haven't seen what's inside, but it was only $3.50, so why not? And Marvel Mangaverse Eternity Twilight. Haven't seen what's inside, but it's a curiosity, so I bought it. Then this Marvel Knights Wolverine Punisher. I haven't seen or read this story before, so it was only €2, so I think I'll have a look if I'll get the other issues. And this is for my cover video. You'll be seeing this in the future. And Superman and Ultraman. Well, if it's Ultraman, then I'll buy it. Red Sonja, cover by Michael William Kaluta. And the Shadow cover by Michael William Kaluta. Superior Spider-Man issue 26. I had to get it because they bring the original Hobgoblin back, and I've been waiting for that for decades. And final issue, Superior Spider-Man Team Up, number 9. Punisher and Daredevil. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Be seeing you.